So basically this is a Street Triple 2014. It was crashed. It's a salvage. I rebuilt it, but I did change the stator, and usually the stator comes with the CP, the crank positioning sensor. They come together, you have to change the whole thing. And even with that, I changed it, it's still not fire. So what was the problem? I said, okay, it's fuel system. But the problem is, when I turned the ignition on, I heard that the fuel pump, it's working. But I wanted to make sure that it deliver gas. So what I did, okay. So basically I disconnected the cable for the fuel, but there were no fuel at all coming out. So I suspected that there is no fuel delivery. So what I did, I connected this tube, regular tube that will fit with the pump. And you can take any bottle, just put it like this. You can hold it on the ground or somewhere. Usually when you turn the ignition on and you hear that noise, fuel is supposed to come out from here and goes to the bottle, but there is none. Let's see. You hear the voice. I hear that there's something going on, but there is nothing. So fuel delivery is weak. There is none. So 90% the filter is clogged, which I will clean. I don't want to buy a new pump. It costs like $700. That's too much. So I said, let me check if there is low compressor or no, because that could be also another problem. There is another way to do it without having the tool for it. So basically I did connect a hand pump with the tube, with the tube, and this tube I connected with the fuel line that goes to the injectors. So basically when you turn the ignition on, you hear that the fuel pump is going on, but there is no fuel delivery. So what I need to do is to add pressure. I did it manually. Now there is pressure. Omar, my friend here gonna help me holding the phone. So basically I add some pressure. Okay, just crank it and you're gonna start up. So basically this is how to check it without having fuel delivery system gauge that will read the pressure, or reading the pressure for the cylinders, because you need to take the spark plugs out and do all this stuff. So this is the cheap, easy way to do it without having any tool. But of course you still need to open the tank, take it off. And this part, when you take this cable away, you have to be careful from not breaking this plastic piece right here. So basically I'm just taking it right now easily. So basically I'm taking off also this one, because I know that I don't have, you see, now we can see it's some pressure. Before it wasn't. This one usually comes right straight to here. Alright guys, thank you. I know the video is sloppy, but at least I tried to put some information there. If anyone have any idea how to take the fuel pump apart and clean it, please share it with me. Thank you.